Hey, how you doing? So you're looking for the best business credit card for travel points? Several people have been asking me, Maverick, did you know about some business credit cards that I can use to accumulate travel points? Well, that is what I'm going to be discussing into this video. Hey, I'm Maverick, so let's dive straight to this video tutorial. I'm going to be listing a couple of credit cards here, up to like 5, and also talk about some, possibly some other cards that can also, buttress the cards I'm going to be talking about here. So the first one I have here is the Amex Business Gold, which is also known as the American Express Business Gold. And right here you can see this card offers 4x point categories. Okay, so it offers 4x point on 2 categories or out of 6 options, including purchase from electronic stores or cloud system providers and food. And this means that for every dollar spent in these categories, you earn 4 American Express membership reward points. You also enjoy 3x points on flight and hotel bookings directly through the Amex Travel. So this is advantageous for business travelers who frequently book their travel arrangements. All right, you also get 1x points on other eligible purchases made using the business gold card. So the flexibility and point earning potential is why I like this card, and I place it at the number 1, because with the Amex Business Gold card you get flexibility in earning points across various categories, allowing you as a card holder to maximize your rewards based on your business spending habits. So with multiple redemption options, then including transfer to airline and hotel partners, they offer excellent point earning potential for travel reward. So in case you're looking for a good card for travel point, this one is my number 1 that I recommend. Now let's go straight to the number 2 on the list, which is the Chase Sapphire Reserve. Now this card, as you can see, is another phenomenal card that a lot of people talk huge about. Now transfer partners and portal navigation is for this, because the Chase Sapphire Reserve is lauded for its extensive list of transfer partners, which allows you as a card holder to convert your unlimited reward points to various airline and hotel loyalty programs at a 1-to-1 ratio. Okay, so moreover, the Chase Unlimited Reward Portal is user friendly, which makes it easy to navigate and redeem points for travel. Okay, also the fact that you enjoy premium benefits, because the card offers premium travel benefits such as airport lounge access, okay, through Priority Pass Select or global entry fee credit, and also annual travel credits. Okay, so these perks enhance the travel experience and provide value beyond just earning points. So that is why I added this one as my number 2, and it's a very good one. You can see right there that they even got the best credit card award, so they are very good. Like, this card is a very good one in case you like to travel. Now let me go on the number 3 on the list right here, which is the Capital One Venture X. Now this card offers welcome bonus and earning potential. Okay, so the card typically offers a generous welcome bonus, okay, and it provides a substantial number of miles upon meeting the spending requirements. Now additionally, card holders earn 2x miles on all purchases, okay, and it makes it an attractive options for everyday spending. All right, also the fact that it has airport lounge access is what I like, because the standard feature of the Venture X card is the access to airport lounge, including Capital One lounge and Priority Pass lounges, and also Plaza Premium lounges. Okay, so this perks enhances the travel experience by providing a comfortable environment and amenities during layovers or before flight. Okay, so you can see right here it also has 5x miles on flights booked through Capital One Travel. Okay, and you get 2x miles on order purchases every day, just like I said earlier. Okay, on all purchases and everyday spending. Okay, so that is what I like about this card, and you have a lot to enjoy with the Capital One Venture X. Okay, so now let's go to the 4th on the list, which I have right here. You can see they also have some awards right there. Okay, the 4th on the list is the Chase Ink Business Preferred Credit Card. Now the reason why I added this is the sign-up bonus. Okay, now the Ink Preferred card offers a significant sign-up bonus of up to 100,000 points, okay, after spending $8,000. You can see right there 100,000 bonus points after you spend $8,000 within the first 3 months of account opening. Okay, so this bonus can provide a substantial boost to your rewards balance, especially for business owners with significant expenses. Okay, another one is the downgrade option. Okay, after the first year, you as a card holder, you can choose to downgrade to the Chase Ink Unlimited or cash in order to avoid annual fee while you're still maintaining a Chase business credit card. So this strategy will allow you, okay, for continued access to the Chase Unlimited Rewards program, okay, without the cost of a premium card. So this is a very good one in case you want to maneuver life, you don't want to have too much debt, then you can downgrade yourself and you can enjoy more rewards. Okay, that is it about the fourth on the list. Let's talk about my final one here, which a lot of people might not expect me to say it, but it is worth it. Okay, that is why I needed to add it. Okay, and that is the Marriott Bonvoy credit card. Okay, so the Marriott Boundless is also a very good credit card because it has a sign-up bonus and points transfer. Okay, so why primarily a hotel card? Okay, it is primarily a hotel card. The Marriott Boundless card offers a substantial sign-up bonus. Okay, and it's often in the form of Marriott Bonvoy points. Okay, so those points can be transferred to various airline partners, providing flexibility in redeeming rewards for flight. Okay, also the fact that you enjoy hotel benefits is why I like this card, because in addition to point earning potential, the Boundless card offers perks such as annual free night award, okay, and allied status with the Marriott Bonvoy and other travel benefits. Okay, so these benefits can enhance your hotel stays and overall travel experience. All right, so those are the 5 credit cards that I want to talk about here that you can use to enjoy travel points. All right, and each of these cards have their unique features and benefits, which is tailored to different travel and spending preferences. So you're the one that we know, the one that best go with your preference, and go and pick it and select and sign up and apply, and you get approval. Okay, just make sure that you have a good credit score before, okay, you go ahead. So it is essential to consider your specific needs and priorities when choosing the right card for your business. Okay, so that is what I have for you. And all the time I talked about me giving you more other credit cards. Okay, another one is the American Express Business Platinum card, okay, which you can see right here. So it's another card that you can also go for. This, they offer a lot of welcome bonuses, okay, and reward points. They have premium travel benefits, a lot of lounge access, priority pass, Delta Sky lounges, and elite status and upgrades. Okay, another one also is the City Business A Advantage Platinum Select MasterCard. Okay, so this one also has a lot of travel, they offer perks like priority boarding, free checked bag for card holders, and a lot of companion certificates. Okay, so it's a very good one that you can also decide to give it a trial. You get also in-flight purchases, like discounts on in-flight purchases, and several other ones. Okay, the Capital One Spark Miles for Business also is another one. Okay, it has a simple reward structure. Okay, it offers unlimited 2x miles on every purchases, and a lot of flexible redemption options. Okay, so this is another one that you can also decide to check it out. So they offer a good one, although these are just extras. Okay, like me just giving you extra other cards that you might consider, okay, in case you want to combine more cards to any one of the ones above. Okay, and the Bank of America Business Advantage Travel Rewards World MasterCard also is what I like, because they have no annual fee. Okay, so it has no annual fee, and also you get flexible rewards. All right, and you earn reward on travel expenses without you paying for any additional benefits. Okay, so this is a very good one. Okay, these points can also be redeemed for travel purchases, and the points that are being given to you can be converted to travel purchases, and providing flexibility in how rewards are used to offset travel expenses. So this is what I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for your time. You can go ahead, pick anyone from these cards, and if there's anyone that you are using that you want to talk more about, you can let us know in the comment box. I'm certain other people will be able to learn also from your experience. Thank you very much. I wish you the best of luck, and I wish you safe travel or safe trip. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.